I'll be telling you Zapier versus Make. Now, for example, here with Zapier, it has a tagline of automate without limits. You can start free with an email, and it's very focused on workflow, right? And on Zapier here, it's much more popular than Make, in my opinion, because I see Zapier a lot more in the internet rather than Make. And it's very focused on building powerful workflows, right? And you can see this is what the interface looks like. And if I keep scrolling here, there is a lot of automation products that they do, which is SAPs, automated advanced workflow with the full building power of Zapier, and interfaces and tables, right? So tables is things like this, and it's a very simple UI that you should be able to understand very easily, right? I think they've recently added AI automation as well, lead management, sales, marketing, support, finance, and HR. You can see these are all of the things, and it has over 2.2 million businesses. It has felt the magic of Zapier, so it's their subscribers. We can put it as that. And now they have a AI version here, put AI to work, and you can get all of these AIs like integrations. There's GPT, there's Gemini. I think a lot of these. I don't know a lot of these AIs. I only know GPT and Gemini here. But of course, all of it is pretty good. You can see automation for every team, and it's approved by IT. To join Zapier though, I think you do need to contact sales, but we can take a look at the pricing here. And you can see on the pricing, it depends on what you want. Like if you want 700 and 1000 or 1000 tasks per month, you can see this is what it'll cost. So it's pretty scalable, right? But if you want enterprises, you'll have to contact for pricing. So you can see it's a very scalable subscription. If you want more, then you'll pay more. But if you want less, then you can pay less. You can see if you only need 100 tasks per month, you don't even need to buy professional, but you can start for free for $0 per month. Now let's move on to Make. Now on Make, it's automation. You can see flex and scale. So I think this is more focused on scaling, right? And it's a visualize a more productive future, right? Your automation headquarters. And I think, yes, this is a more visible and scalable impact. It's also a powerful collaboration engine. These are the company that has used Make, but you can see it's not as much as Zapier earlier here, which has a lot more companies under their belt like Asana, Dropbox, Rockable, Canva, Grammarly. I'm sure you've heard of all of those products. But of course, let's not count Make out of the table here. You can see this is an accelerate innovation across your businesses like IT, operation, marketing, sales, finance, customer experts, and of course people as well. And of course, you can respond to new market demands thanks to 2000 pre-built apps and enjoy the flexibility of integrating anything with an API. What that basically means is that you have the power of AI here, right? You can see there's GPT or OpenAI here, and there's a lot of other apps here that you can try out that you have free API to and apps to. You can see, realize the true potential of AI. You can connect a lot of AIs to Make here, it seems. You can see there's also security and governance, something that wasn't mentioned in Zapier earlier. But now let's take a look at the pricing and compare it to Zapier here, right? Now, unlike Zapier, they don't have scalable or adjustable plans, right? So it's something that's pre-made. So for example, core is only $9, but you can see it's not as scalable as Zapier. You can only pick from a couple of predefined values here, but you can see if you want pro, for example, if I want about $750,000 operations per month, it's around $500 as well. So I think the price is pretty 11 to 12 to Zapier, but of course, in the end, it'll come down to what you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.